Hey guys, it's Loz and Nufi, or Nufi Loves Luxury, and or same thing. And just doing a quick video, I'm sitting here on my bed, funny enough, and I'm trying to find receipts because I have these couple of Louis Vuitton pieces of jewelry. Sorry about this camera moving. I'm actually holding it with my hands really bad. It's actually my phone. And I was just looking at the different boxes because I'm looking for the boxes and the receipts because I've got a couple of LV, what do you call it, like earrings and necklace and that I just never wear them. I probably regret buying them, but yeah, so I'm thinking about selling them. And then I started going through like all of my boxes to find the receipts. And then I started thinking, how funny is it that the different feel of the, sorry, and I've got no makeup on, so close Nufi, let's go back. The different feel of the packaging and the colours of the boxes are different. And I noticed, which I wanted to show you, I've got a couple of them actually, so from ages and ages ago. Do you remember these brown Louis Vuitton boxes? But I realised that this is made of leather. We don't have them like that anymore. I think the Louis Vuitton packaging has gone down. I know that people really like the orange boxes. I probably like them, they're nice, but I like the traditional brown. It reminds me of the Tamira Bean. But yeah, actual leather here. And look, here's another one. I can't even remember what I bought, to be honest, but years ago. And they've got the leather here as well. And I thought, that's interesting. Anyway, I'm still sitting here going through. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you. I'm sitting here, boxes everywhere. There's actually more. Trying to find things. The other weird thing that I found, they used to wrap up like this, and it was with pieces of brown leather instead of ribbon. I've just packed all the ribbon away. Here's another one. Like, this was from, just mind my doggies. This is what they used to put around the boxes, actual leather. Yeah, I just thought it was a quick video, it was interesting. And the other thing is when I was looking at, sorry, I'm on my bed. When I was looking at all the different, what do you call these, dust bags, like this one's got my padlock in it, I think. Has it? Oh yeah, it does. They just look different. Like this is probably an old padlock, probably from my Alma or something. But it's got the brown pull string and it feels softer. And the writing is very different. Whereas if I look at this one, I'll just put that there. And these are all real. They're not fake or anything. Look how they're different in the colour and the colour of the writing. And also this is velvety. But here is another one. And now you'll see that these are blue instead of the older brown. I just thought that was really... I don't think I ever took much notice of this. And then, as I was going through some of the dust bags, they're completely different. The stitching is different. The colours are different. They feel different. Like this one feels harsh. Let me go through a couple. This feels, sorry about the camera moving. This feels harsh. That looks a yellow colour. There's another different drawback. I mean, I suppose that's got blue, but that's not soft, that's harsh, if you know what I mean by harsh. That's a weird colour too. That's a different colour. That's a different, like, how come? But most part, maybe they're faded. Maybe it's the sun, because some of these are really, really old. There's another little one. It's got the blue though. And then these bigger ones, they're just, I don't know. Which one was it that looks different? I think my, still going, there's a really big one here with the drawstring, but I think that's the one from an expensive bag, you know. But yeah, I know this is silly, but as I'm going through looking for things, I'm like, why is this all so different? Just everything about it looks different. I feel like that one's not right. Anyway, so they were some of the dust bags. I haven't even remotely gone through the big boxes yet. There's boxes everywhere. There's boxes in the other room. Gosh, there's boxes sitting up here. There's my coffee from McDonald's, Macca's in Australia. Hi. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. Even the bags are different. Oh, do you remember these old bags? Like the brown Louis Vuittons, Paris with the brown I don't know why I keep these. Sometimes I hang them on the wall, funny enough, or in my office. In there, there's boxes and boxes. This brown one, this is an actual, one of the original brown Louis boxes. It lifts up and over, but it's full of other boxes. And I think that was probably one of the ribbons. I don't know what I bought. I reckon it was an Elmer. And like, there's so many different bags. I actually keep like the Christmas bag this year. It's in the other room, and yeah, just randomly, just random how different. Well, these are all blue, so I suppose that's something. And then I've got a whole heap of ribbon. I've got white ribbon, red ribbon, mainly blue, brown. Yeah, I just honestly was interested. And then in a similar fashion, sorry, this is filmed so badly, I do apologise. Oh, it's a Tiffany. Take where? That was a watch. Even the envelopes, like these are mainly orange. Oh, there's another blue ribbon. But here's some of the original brown ones. Do you remember these? And when they used to do the beautiful, I'll just be careful of what I'm showing you here. You know, the beautiful receipts. And I say that because I actually love them. I love the paper, the thickness. It was very, sorry, it's just really nice. Whereas, see if I can find a more modern one. Is this a more modern one? No, even that's got nice paper. Maybe one of these. Yeah. Like, and then they give you this crap. Like, I don't know. I miss the beautiful, you know, attention to detail of packaging, of the nicer receipts. You know, it was a real experience from everything. Like, just everything about these. You know, you'd get the leather on the box. You'd get the beautiful thick paper that was, you know, Louis Vuitton stamped. You'd get the you know, these sort of things packaged. I don't know. How do you guys feel about it? Let me know your thoughts. And can I just say, I'm very, very sorry about the, let me just go. Sorry. I'm really sorry about the way that I filmed this. It's, you know, no makeup. Oh my God. Like I said, I'm just sitting here crazily looking. But, hey guys, like and subscribe. Sorry if this is a crazy video, but just, yeah, I was interested and I thought, well, if I'm interested, maybe you're interested. Also, I might do another video soon. I'm going to advertise these pieces once I find them. But if anyone's interested, let me know. I'll put it on my next upload because I don't have it here in front of me. So I'll do another quick video, probably this sort of quality because I'm just holding my phone. All right, guys. Bye.